Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all again soon. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I've got a small Joom haul. So let's get started. So it's just this little drop. First item, huge box. Box this size for an item this size. This is for my Apple Watch. If I can get it open. It's just a glass screen protector. That's our first item. The next item is, yay! I bought this for mixing my hair dye. To dye my hair I use Manic Panic, and I just use a little drop, tiny little drop, and I mix it through a bottle full of conditioner. So that's what I bought this for. Next item is, this is to clean the air vent in my car. Doesn't matter how many times you stick your finger in that little space, you just can't get it clean. You end up with bits along the side, or so this is for cleaning the air vent in my car. Brush, it's quite hard bristles. It feels like the bristles on a dishwashing brush. So that's my air vent cleaner. Get back in. It's a train. Next item is a button, a home button for my phone. At the moment I've got just the outside part on rose gold, but my phone's actually red, so I thought I would get the red one. And last item for today, last item is, it's a Chinese padlock. Now, I've just sat for ages trying to work out the writing on here. I assumed that this was the code for the padlock because it's like a combination one. These parts turn. But this doesn't coordinate to this. So I just sat for ages playing around with it, trying to get the correct code, because this was actually bought for my husband's aunt. So I had to sit and play around with it, get the code. Let me see if I can find it again.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's this way. Come on. We did it before.
Eventually.
So this is the padlock. Now that picture that's on there looks nothing like that picture that's there. So I had to sit and work all that out to where it went. But that's, yeah, that's the padlock. Looking forward to using all these items. There'll be plenty more videos coming up soon. So that's our small Joom haul for this morning. I will say thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. And I will catch you all again soon. Ta-ta for now.